Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Well, we're doing kind of an unbagging here this time. Today we're checking out a handmade leather, top grain cowhide leather briefcase here for your laptop or files or something else like that. So first impression, man, this is quite shiny, and it actually does look like real leather there, if you can see on the handle of the side grain here. Okay, so we got a nice little handle here. Looks quite durable. It has a little cowhide sample there, I guess you could call it. All right, so let's check out this pocket over here. Oh, that's pretty nice. I thought I was going to think it was going to be Velcro, but they're actually little magnetic buttons there, so they're pretty cool like that. They don't really... All right, so in here we have a nice little pocket there. Could fit your gadgets in there. Maybe a smaller laptop or something like that would fit in there because it has a pretty good size there. Okay, and that shuts nicely. Here we have another pocket. It's a secondary one with a zipper on here. And that is pretty decent size as well. Has some nice lining there. Okay, so there's the front two pockets. Now on the back here, well, I'm not sure if it's back or front, but anyways, here's another zipper pocket and a good size one there as well. All right, so here we have in the top here, it's a pretty nice nice zipper there. All right, inside we have a nice strap here that can go right on here, so you can look like a Jack Bauer type handbag here, man purse or whatever. It's a nice little strap there, and here's some pockets as well. It's hard for you guys to see that, I'm sorry, but let's see. There is another pocket here that has some Velcro, and it opens up right here, so there's another big pocket here. Another one on the inside, another zipper, so there's all kinds of little places you can put stuff in here. Let me see if I can't open that up as well. Okay, and there's another one. All right, so we have that one. There's a couple interior pockets here as well for, you can put your cell phone here, maybe a calculator, all kinds of different things in there. So a lot of storage space. Appears to be pretty good quality here. Yeah, it's a good looking bag actually, and don't really see any flaws or anything. These zippers appear to be good quality. This one, especially the one on top, feels pretty heavy duty here. I'm no longer tied down by a cord here, so I can kind of show you this thing here. So it's a nice little bag there, pretty trendy. You can throw your stuff in there. So nice little leather briefcase here. All right, my friends, well, that's it for the unboxing. Maybe I'll throw some stuff in here and do a little demonstration and a final review on it. But that's about it for now. I will leave a link in the description below to that video when I finish that up as well. But this runs about $45 on Amazon, so like a pretty decent deal with comparative similar items on there for running quite a bit more. I'll leave a link to that in Amazon too for you there in the description below. So thanks for watching this video, everybody, and we'll see you soon with the demonstration video. Everyone have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.